Hey, my name's Charlie. I'm from a company called Fastlane Motor Group. Today we're going to talk about vehicle compliance for cars from Japan. If you're watching this video, you've either imported a vehicle from Japan or are considering one. Firstly, we need to make sure the vehicle is on the SEVS list, which is the Special Enthusiast Vehicle Scheme, to ensure we can actually comply the vehicle once it arrives. If the vehicle does fall within the scheme, we'll need to make sure a model report has been created for that car, and once we know that, we can then apply for a vehicle import approval on your behalf. It's important to check your vehicle in Japan prior to export to ensure it hasn't had any crash damage. Your broker or auction facility will give you an auction grading sheet which should indicate any damage on the vehicle. In the unlikely event that the vehicle arrives in Australia and we spot accident damage, we will also perform further checks to ensure the vehicle is still structurally sound. In the event that your vehicle has outstanding recalls, there are two options, and we will advise you on which one to carry out. It will either be getting the vehicle recall finished in Japan prior to export, or if it's a minor job, we can undertake the recall here at our workshop as part of the compliance process. Fastlane operates our own truck, so we can collect your vehicle from the port the same day it's released, and our location is just 15 minutes away from the Port of Brisbane. We are the only compliance company in Brisbane who has access to the port, and because of this, we consider ourselves a premium service. And this ensures we can get the vehicle back to our depot well before any other compliance shop in Brisbane. Our Registered Automotive Workshop is a one-stop solution. We have tyres, batteries, and a host of mechanical services on site, ready to comply your vehicle. We will start by undertaking a 37-page work instruction document where we will compare the vehicle's particulars to the way the vehicle was manufactured new to ensure it's in the same condition or a similar condition to when it left the factory and meets all the ADR design rules. As well as that, we're looking at items of damage, corrosion, and any modifications which aren't factory. In addition to the checks of this vehicle, we'll also be performing service items such as oil and brake fluid replacements, and checking to make sure the tyres are less than 5 years old. The inspection process will include internal and external components of the vehicle, such as the vehicle's body to make sure there's no damage. Internally, we'll check things like the airbag restraints. We'll do a full computer diagnostic on the vehicle to ensure there is no hidden codes. Once we, as the RAW, have completed the work on your vehicle, we will then contact an authorised vehicle verifier who will not only cross-reference and check our work, but also check the documentation on the vehicle as well. It is then the authorised vehicle verifier who will submit the vehicle to the Register of Approved Vehicles in order for the vehicle to be registered in Australia. So once your vehicle is complied, you'll be issued with a Consumer Information Notice. We'll also attach a compliance plate and a 17-digit VIN strip to your car. At this point, your vehicle is ready for registration. The Fastlane workshop is rather unique because not only can we issue a vehicle safety certificate, we also have the ability to issue registration plates on site for your imported vehicle, meaning you can drive away registered the same day you collect your car. Fastlane offers a premium end-to-end solution. From the minute you purchase the vehicle to the minute you collect your dream car and drive away, we will take care of the entire process for you. We hope this informational video casts some transparency on the import industry and shows you exactly what's involved in bringing a vehicle to Australia. If you have any questions on the import process, please reach out to one of our team members. We'll be more than happy to help you along the way.